Hey everyone, it's your girl Stephanie Monique and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just going to be kind of like a little room makeover. It was just one of those times where I was in school, so I didn't focus that much on my room and get it like how I want it. There's still probably going to be a few things that need to get done after this video. I already did a room tour, so you can check out that video on my channel if you want to see more of what it looks like now, where I got things from. But I'm going to give you guys a little haul of what I just got yesterday of things I'm going to be adding, just so you can see that in more detail before I put it all down. So let me set you guys up. Okay, I think that'll be fine for me to show you guys. So the first thing I got are these blackout curtains, and everything I got in this haul is going to be from Home Goods. So this is the Jacqueline Love brand. It was $20, and if you can see, it's just kind of like a bluish reflective material, and these are blackout. This is the only thing I actually didn't get from Home Goods, but this is just the LED. This is just the LED light strip, so it comes in different colors, and it has the remote and everything. I'm probably gonna put this behind my bed just to reflect there. I didn't want too many lights in the room because I honestly don't like that much light. And those were $5. But the next thing I got is this blanket. So I was due for like a new blanket, and this one, it just feels perfect, and it was on sale, so I was like, why not? It's a neutral color. This one was $15 from Home Goods, and it's just like a brownish cream color from this gallery collection from Berkshire. And next, I'm only going to show you one, but I did get two. So the next thing is this lamp. So it has gold accents, and then it has little crystals up here all around, and this thing can spin around, so you just put a light bulb. This was from Hello Michelle Home, and these were $30. The next thing I got was the rug. So you can kind of see the colors a little bit, but it's just like cream and gray and brown and like a little bit of black colors in there. And so that's the whole rug. I think this is like a little bit bigger than 5 by 7, and I think this was $60. The next thing I got was a big plant. So it's super tall, and it comes in this container. It's like silverish and has like the rose gold accents. This was $40 actually, which was a little expensive, but I really wanted a big plant in the room. And so you guys will be able to see how that looks once it's all set up. And then the last thing in this haul is a little dresser. So this dresser, the reason why I really got it is because it has all these different ports installed in it, and I did get two dressers, and it does have the gold accents on this as well. And then the whole top is like this marble color, which I thought was really nice, and then it's just like gold, and it's pretty thin. As you can see, it's not that heavy, so we'll see how those look. But I think that is everything new that I got. So now I'm just gonna kind of show you guys what the room looks like now. So over here you can see me, but the light is kind of blaring. But I have this big mirror already, and then the desk, and then my TV stand and everything. On that wall we have a big mirror, so window. So I know it's not a lot I can do on that side, but we'll figure it out. And then coming from this direction, I have the bed, which is like the biggest thing in this room. I also got a new comforter from Primark that's on there. And I have matching pillows and everything. And then I just have that one picture hanging up, and then that decal on that wall as well. And I do have a rug that I already had here that'll probably end up getting switched out. But that is basically everything that's in the room, just excluding like the bathroom and different things. So I think my main goal is, since this one's like a full wall, I think I want to put the bed and everything over here with the dressers, and then move these two things on this wall. Put my mirror probably on that wall so I can have the light hitting me and then me facing the mirror. And the two dressers will also go over there. Probably put that rug underneath the bed and the lights and stuff on the dresser. But I think that's pretty much it. Like, there's not that many changes that's gonna happen, but I think it'll make a big difference. So my big thing, I'm gonna try to move this bed like over here and try to scoot those things over so I can start shifting things. But I'm gonna just get started and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so it's been a while now, and the only thing I really got moved is like the desk and the TV stand that was over here. So I do have to like straighten that up, but that'll be another task in itself once this is done. But I mean, for the most part, I think this will look nice over here. It fills up this whole wall since like the bathroom is there, compared to as where now the bed will have like its whole wall here. So hopefully it looks good, because I'm not moving it again even if it doesn't. Now somehow I'm gonna try to get this bed turned around in this room, and then we'll move on to the next thing. So I think I got the bed where I want it to be on this wall. I don't know if you can see what I mean, but just about it having its own wall and own space. So I'm gonna set the nightstands up briefly next to it before I move on to the next thing. Alright, I'm back. So my only problem really now is this mirror over here. So it's pretty big. I did want it kind of on the wall it is now, but the room over there is kind of more limited than like over in this closet space where it was before. So I might end up putting it back over here, yeah, just to save room and different things, even though this is technically further away from the closet. I'm just not sure if it's gonna work out. So yeah, I might still have to put it back over here, but I mean, it is what it is, I guess. And I'll straighten up the desk a little bit, but I'll update you guys a little bit more once I'm done those couple of things. I decided that I'm gonna go ahead and do the curtains and see what those look like up. So I have a rod, and I'm just gonna take the ends off like that so I can slide it on. So I am finally back for the last time in this video, and I went through a lot of struggling in the end. I know specifically with these curtains, you guys may or may not, depending on if I put that in there or not, have seen me struggle. It took a while, like at least 30 minutes, like, or maybe an hour. I don't know. I struggled with one rod, and then I went to another, and it was just a lot of hassle to get that to fit in properly. And low-key, they don't even like extend all the way I want, but it's okay. We're just gonna move forward from that. But I mean, for the most part, everything turned out okay. So I'm just gonna start by giving you guys a little tour, and we'll just go forward from there. All right, so this is pretty much what the whole room looks like overall. We now have this on that wall with the curtain and then the bed and the plants and stuff. And so going more into detail now, over here I decided to keep this plant in this corner. Here's just my phone, but here's that marble little dresser next to my bed. And then I also have this light, so it has the different crystals and everything on there. And just put that there, and then I have this little chic little plaque that goes with the coloring as well. And then on the bed, it's just the same bed set, these little fluffy pillows, this pillow to match the bed set, and then just this tropical bed set. Here we have the new blanket thrown across, and I just have my normal tray that I used to eat on whenever I'm in my bed. So that is what that looks like. And then over here in this corner, I decided to put this other plant, and then we have the mirror that I did end up moving over to this corner. I'm not sure how accessible it is for pictures or anything now, but I think this is the best place for it. And then again, we just have the same nightstand and the same lamp, but I don't have anything else on this one. These nightstands do also have charging stations in the back. I don't know if I said that or not, but yeah. Here you can see the rug a little bit. Most of it is honestly underneath it, but I mean, it is what it is. And then over here, I just have my desk set up again. So pretty much the same thing. I don't think this mirror was here before, but that's there. I have my candle behind and the jewelry and stuff. And then over here, just the same elephant and diffuser and the picture and the calendar. Then over here, my TV is pretty much the same as well. I have the plants that I do on the side, and I just have my remote sitting up here. I just moved my router since it was over here previously and it didn't fit before, but the makeup and different things are still the same, and I have a little blanket and everything. And I think that is mainly it. Oh yeah, so I do want to show you guys everything with the light off. So that's with just the lamps. You can kind of see the vibe. And then even turning these off, now you guys can see that I went ahead and put those LED lights behind my bed frame. So those just kind of, yeah, they just kind of light up behind the bed. So definitely a mood for the nighttime. And I think that was pretty much it for the most part. So let me know how you guys like the changes, or if you think I should change anything around. That is pretty much going to be it for today's video. As always, thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Leave any comments down below of new videos you would like to see, and I will look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.